Welcome to Sigma Equipment. Today's equipment demonstration involves a Lee Industries 225-gallon half-jacketed kettle. This specific kettle is equipped with an agitator motor fixed to the main frame on the back of the unit. The agitator motor is running on a 480-volt system 3-phase. The tilt cylinders on this specific machine are powered by water pressure. For demonstration purposes, air pressure was used for this video. This unit is jacketed, which means that the operator can control the temperature of the product inside. The jacket only covers the bottom half of the kettle and is heated using steam through the intake valve on the side of the tank. The maximum water pressure is 90 psi with a max temperature of 332 degrees Fahrenheit. The agitator used on this kettle is a scrape agitator, which has a fixed speed of 60 Hz. Both the agitator and the kettle have separate tilting features. The agitator will tilt back so that the scraper can be taken out of the kettle. The kettle can tilt forward to empty product and includes a lip for pouring. It is recommended that the frame be bolted to the floor during tilting. There's also a discharge valve at the bottom of the kettle. To learn more about this kettle and other equipment, please visit us at sigmaequipment.com.